If you don't hear a ding sound at the end of a session when you're expecting it to notify you the session's over, you can make sure you have a media ding file loaded. From the top menu here, we select Session, Timer, and after 25 minutes we expect to hear a ding sound. We click this button. Make sure we're in the right folder. The latest Brain Trainer installers will place these files here in Local Disk C, Program Files x86, BioExplorer, Media. So if that's not where you're pointed, browse there now. Media. And here's the ding file. Say Open, OK, and then save your design so you don't have to do this again.